Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to share with you review and demo of Profit Contact. Uh, with this, we will learn how to send unlimited number of messages to unlimited number of contacts. But before that, who am I? I'm Anamika Sharma. I come to you from Melbourne and I am reviewing this product so that people like me who want to send a lot of messages to many people and many other affiliate marketers can use this product and see how it helps in their business. So let's first of all go to their page and see what are they claiming. And for that, I want to go here. So they're saying this is a brand new email killer. Now, email marketing and email gathering of emails have been always a difficult thing. So that should not be a bad idea. Email killer. It is a WhatsApp based autoresponder which lets you blast off any link to millions of people within minutes. And it is an unlimited cloud based WhatsApp autoresponder machine. It sends any message to any link and offer to over 2 billion people in 180 countries wherever WhatsApp is used. And so it can get you 98% open rate from people glued to their phones, which all of us are. So that sounds interesting. And it instantly imports unlimited contacts and start messaging in seconds. Now, time is very valuable. So anything that we can reduce the time to do if for example, messaging, if we can reduce the time to seconds, I think that's a very good idea. It can also help people who have no contacts. So it gets you red hot phone leads for you on an autopilot. That These are interesting things to have. Let's go into the members page and see how do they really manage it. So I'll take you for a sneak peek, a walk through their members page. But I'm doing this with a hope that when you're buying the product, you will click on that affiliate link below and use my link to buy this product and enjoy unlimited access to unlimited number of people. But let's go into the dashboard first. Okay, so this is their dashboard. As you can see over here, there is a training, and let's see what does the training have. So I've opened this another tab, which is the training, and it starts with a frequently asked question. Now that's a different way. That's a good way, I think, because immediately you have certain questions and it'll answer that. And then you have got different training videos about what to do and how to do. So step 1, create your account. Step 2, live chat. Step 3, autoresponder, bulk messaging, chatbot, messaging for pro users. That is the training area. Let's go back to their membership page. So they have a dashboard here. Let's look at what is happening in the dashboard. Oh my God, more than 100,000 messages per month. And then you have bulk messages also. Then there is a WhatsApp counter also. Then there is an account manager, file manager, caption, and messaging. So a lot of information over here. And then there are some done for you offers also, and a support group. So guys, I think this sounds like a good idea if you have the problem of having to spend a lot of time sending messages to different people. I think this product can really solve your problem. So now let me take you to something that is further interesting with all of these things that you will get if you get into their members area by buying the product. I will now share the bonuses that I would give if you use my affiliate link and buy this. So if you use this affiliate link, which is given to you in the YouTube description below, then you'll get Mika's insane bonus bundle. That is me, Anamika. And apart from all of these things that we just talked about, you will get, let me take you to the bonus page here, Boomerang Buddy, Access Boomerang Buddy, which is from Jono Armstrong. And I'm his student. So this bonus will be available to you. Then you'll have another bonus, which is YouTube Super Traffic Hack. I would love to have that. I still don't have it. I'll get it. So should you. Then we have a 10K email manifesto case study. and then Access Continuum done for you system. And then another bonus, which is the all vendors bonus, will also be available to you with the click of the button as you go to the members page. So, guys, what are you waiting for? Let's buy the product, let's reach out to our clients, and let's double, triple, even multifold our gains and money and commissions. Have a good day. Enjoy your day. Bye for now.